In a village called Kishanpur lived a lazy boy named Chandu. Every day he woke up, roamed around the village, gossiped, and somehow tricked someone to get food. That was his routine. What do I even do, man? My parents don't let me live in peace at home, and people in the village treat me like trash. There is no value for good people in this world. Oh God, take me away. No, not me. Take these mad villagers instead. At least let me get married before I die. What's up with you, man? Talking about dying this early in the morning? Just think how we'll survive today. What can I do, Nandu? My parents don't even give me a single rupee for my expenses. How do we explain inflation to our parents? As if they'll take all that money to heaven with them. I asked my dad for 10 rupees today and he kicked me out of the house after slapping me 10 times. Told me not to return unless I earn something. He won't even let me inside today. Oh, your dad's acting so fancy now. Come on, let's start a new business today. Let's show everyone we are no less than anyone. You talk like you are carrying 40-50 lakh in your pocket. You don't even have a penny and still dream about starting a business? Stop bluffing, man. Hey, do I look like a bluffer to you? After all these years, you still don't know your Chandu Dada. You think business needs money? No, bro, it needs brain. Let's go hijack someone else's business today. Let's see how much weight your words carry today. Maybe it's all just big talk like always. You calling me a talker? Come on, let me show you what Chandu Dada can really do. Both of them walk into the sun and stop near a Pani Puri stall. Oh God, this heat is killing me. Doesn't the sun have any other job? Making us sweat for free. Yeah, man. Parents won't let us stay in peace at home. And now the sun won't let us outside either. And people think we are useless too. Hey, move aside, bro. Bring 2 glasses of lassi for Chandu Dada and his friend. Can't you see how much we are sweating? Make it rich with a layer of cream. What nonsense? What nonsense is this? Do you see any lassi cart here? Are you blind? This is Pani Puri cart. If you want that, say so. Hey buddy, do you even know who you are talking to? This is Chandu Dada. Mind your tone or this cart will be gone tomorrow. Relax, bro. We'll deal with him another day. You sell Pani Puri, right? Then hurry up and serve us. Hey, it's Naman, not Pani Puri. Got it? Hey, you chaman, just bring the Pani Puri. Hey, I am Naman. Hey, if you know your name, why ask me? And talk with some respect, or I'll make you see stars in daylight. Okay, sir. How many plates do you want? 25 plates each for both of us. 25 plates? Are you joking? No one can eat that much. Don't underestimate Chandu and Nandu, bro. We are from big families. We do everything big. Larger than life. These guys talk big. Maybe they really are rich kids. I've been selling for 15 years. No one's eaten 25 plates before. Let me bet with them. Could be a big win today. Chandu Dada, I bet you can't eat that much. Want to bet? Don't talk nonsense. Tell me, what will I win if I do? If you both finish 25 plates, I'll give you half of my earnings every day for a month. Plus, free Pani Puri daily. But if you fail, you'll pay me 25,000 each. Now tell me, ball is in your court. Do you agree on this bet? Deal. And if we eat it all, you'll also give us 500 rupees daily cash. What say? Done. But first eat and show me. Stop talking and start serving, bro. Come on, fast. Alright, Let's see how much you can eat. Here, take 2 plates first. Let's see how long your pants stay tight. Big talks. They keep eating plate after plate. The vendor gets exhausted watching them. Hey, what are you doing? Come on, serve us plate by plate. Chandu Dada do not like to wait. Oh God, are these guys possessed? How are they eating so much? Are they even human? Finally, they finish 25 plates each. The vendor stares at them in shock. Chandu turns to him. Hey, did you go into shock? Are you still alive? Tell me, how many plates did we eat? 25 plates each, Chandu Dada. Dada, now you know who you are dealing with. People don't call me Chandu Dada for nothing. Now bring one more. I'll eat 26 today. And yeah, get 500 ready every day from now on, or I'll beat you up really bad. Please, Chandu Dada, I made a mistake. Don't punish me. Don't take my life over a bet. You should have thought of that before making the bet. You were the one boasting, remember? Now quietly hand over a crisp 500 rupee note. And remember, every day 20 plates of pani puri and 500 rupee in hand on time. What? Yes, exactly.